Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iOS 17 not showing in setting. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you are looking for iOS 17 and want to download it and you are trying to check in software update and it's not showing here, let me show you here guys. So as you can see guys, iOS 16.6 is up to date, but it's not showing here any kind of iOS 17 update. So let me tell you that why it's not showing here. Let me tell you that it will be releasing on 6th of June, but today is 5th June. Okay guys, most people are looking for iOS 17 because Apple tell you that iOS 17 will be released on 5th of June. That's why you are looking here to download the new update. Let me tell you that iOS 17 will be releasing on 6th of June, and if you live in Australia and if you are living in Melbourne, then you can get this feature early in the morning. And if you are living in other countries, then let me tell you that you have to wait some hours. So that's pretty much for today video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.